Hey, good evening, everybody. I've got this Steel MS 250 18-inch bar. I need to change out the chain, so I got on Amazon and I bought a 3-pack of these Save Your chains, and it arrived yesterday actually, but I'm gonna take a look at it this evening. Let's see there. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. First thing we take out is we've got 2 of the alleged 3 chains that should be included. And let's see here. And there it is. There's the 3rd chain. And then we'll take a look at that real quick. It's cool. I like this little plastic pouch it comes in. That's pretty handy. I can kind of keep the old chains in those too and keep track of everything. And then also it came with these gloves. Let's see, we'll take a look. It's pretty cool. Open these up real quick. And there you go. It is a pair. There's 2 of them. And it's got kind of a grippy, no slip kind of surface to them. Feel pretty neat. All right, let's take a look at this chain. All right, let's open this up here. It's got the cool like Ziploc feature. Anyway, take the chain out. It's also got this cool little Velcro clip. That'll be handy to hang those up somewhere, get them out of the way. Anyway, the chain feels pretty good, pretty solid. Really looks pretty sharp. I feel encouraged so far. I think I'm a fan. All right, so I did get it on this saw. I installed it. Need to kind of tighten this down a little bit. I got the bar on upside down. It really won't affect the performance of the saw, but it kind of annoys me, so apologies for that. But anyway, it worked. So you just want to make sure that it's on there good, and then we come out here to the log and we're gonna make a couple cuts. Here, this one went through pretty nice. Second one, well, look at the shavings are pretty big. That's good. It's taking big chunks out. You can see here a little bit closer look how big they are. That saw is sharp. It's nice. It's a clean cut here, and then of course down here on the actual log, it's another clean cut. So, man, I'm thumbs up on this thing. I think it's pretty good, and I'm looking forward to using it this season. Thanks for watching. See you next time.